So, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a data entry related job with a company called Bold Business, and this is a BPO company. The company is hiring for full-time remote opportunity, and here the compensation rate is $16 per hour. And here uh, the company has not asked for much of the experience; only a little experience can work. The profile's name is Data Entry Associate, and here you will be joining the data enrichment team of the company to support data enrichment tasks for one of the company's healthcare clients. Let's check out about the qualifications and the experience that the company has mentioned. So here, as I said, that the company has asked for only a little like around 6 months of experience in a data entry or customer service related role. It would be a plus. Otherwise, also, if you are a fresher, you can still apply for a job if you have like desired skills, and you can prove your skill. You can apply for the job. Now here you need to be available to work for around 40 hours per week, and you will be getting weekends off, Saturday, Sundays off, and here they have mentioned that you should have strong command in English language, both written and verbal. You should have proper work from home setup to work. You should have a proper computer or desktop and a stable internet connection with a speed of at least 15 Mbps download and 10 Mbps upload speed. Here the company has mentioned about the roles and responsibilities. So as a data entry associate, you need to review and complete enrichment tasks as defined and trained by the client. You will be performing credentialing related tasks, including application data entry, vendor resource verifications, and board certifications. You will be following up with the various state boards and credentialing bodies for status updates and verifications. You need to ensure the accuracy and quality of credentialing data in compliance with industry standards. You need to verify information provided to the clients by third-party entities using online databases to cross-check details. Additionally, you need to perform other duties as stated by the company or like the client. And here are some of the benefits that the company has mentioned. As I said, this is a full-time remote opportunity. You can work from home or anywhere. This is a 100% remote, and this is a permanent 100% remote opportunity. And here you will be getting training as well as support, as well as a supportive team. So you can take help from your team while working. Now, if you think that you could be a good fit for this position, here is the application form that you can fill up. This is a simple application form where you have to provide all the relevant details and attach your resume here. You can provide here the desired salary in US dollars, uh, and then also you have to answer if you already have some experience in BPO industry. When can you start? So in here they have asked for if you can start immediately or you need time. You need time to serve the notice period, and what is your current location. So if you are from the US or from any other country, you can mention here. And here also, and here the company has asked for information if you have already worked for some of your clients or the organizations or the industry. So you have to provide information related to that. And here the company has mentioned that please list some of the key clients or organizations you have worked with in the past, including the industry they were in, your employer at the time, and your job title during the projects. And if confidentiality agreements prevent you from naming specific clients, providing a general overview of the types of clients and industries you have supported would be appreciated but is not mandatory. So if you want, you can provide here. I think you have, if you have already been working with some of the companies or clients or organizations, you must enter here and you can provide the industry you have worked with or the type of clients you have worked with, and then submit the application form. So this is a simple application form. So yeah, go ahead, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, and I think this is a very interesting position for people who don't have a lot of experience and who are looking for some simple data entry kind of job that they can do from home or anywhere. They can work remotely, and so go ahead and apply for the job. Thank you for listening.